So today I was juggling with the busy bees and I was unicycling around in free time.
Same as you are, we were just having a great time and trying to make circus more popular.
So I'm Helen Collins from ISACS, Irish Street Art Circus and Spectacle Network. We represent over 250 circus and street artists all across the island of Ireland, north and south, and we are involved in coordinating the Circus Explored programme, which is what brings us here today. We at ISACS, we're an all-island organisation. This is a Shared Island project, actually the first public event as part of the Shared Island initiative under Creative Ireland. And here in Belfast is very significant for circus. Belfast Community Circus, which has become Circus Bowl, which is where they're hosting us today for Festival of Fools. They've always been leading lights in terms of circus training, both from the youth right up to professional level for Ireland and for international performers too. So to be able to bring our young artists from Galway, from Cork, from Cloughjordan here to feed off each other's energy, to share creativity, to see each other perform, to see the amazing professional artists out in the streets, it's a really, really amazing opportunity for them, and we're delighted to be able to present it.
It's really important. It's my first time being at the Festival of Fools. It's really, really fun, but it also kind of like illustrates what circus is.
We get to see all the new festivals, and being at Festival of Fools just allows us to interact with different circuses, and then we get to have more interactions with different places and make new connections. Then we get to make a lot of friends, and so it's really fun for everybody and then for the people enjoying the show. So I think it's really important to do these things.
This is one of the most vital, vibrant weekends in Belfast because obviously there's a couple of things running simultaneously. This is the first year that we've been in number 2 Royal Avenue. So what's happening here is we've got groups coming up from Cloughjordan, we've got Galway Community Circus coming here as well. We've never had the opportunity to create that congregation before, which is actually creating a wider circus network.
Well, events like this are super important. Honestly, for representation, there's a few, just getting the whole island together, that's one of the biggest things. We've got, I think, maybe 5 to 7 circus schools all around the country, so being able to get them all together, everybody getting to meet each other, sharing skills, it's really good. But even just for representation of circus as an art form, as an alternative to the dance, the gymnastics, it's like a community aspect. It's non-competitive.
Well, I think it's great because in Cork we have the artists we have in Cork, but it's great for the young people to come and see so many shows.
Yeah, it's great when they get to see other kids and the opportunities they get to perform as well and mingle with the other kids and maybe get a bit of a buzz off them and want to perform a little bit more as well.
It's so fun, and it's really just important to see everyone and everyone's different kind of experiences and stuff.
Circus for me means community. It means bringing people together and spreading joy. So having so many different faces, local and international talent coming here, it's just incredible. It's so important for culture as well. Festival of Fools is fantastic, fabulous and fun. There's your 3 Fs.